Hello you guys, so I realized I did not actually record an intro to this video, but if you like what you're seeing, just keep on watching. That's what I found out. Oh shit. My bad, y'all. I thought I was recording. So y'all missed me putting on my liner. Now I'm about to do eyelashes. I don't know if I should do these lashes or these lashes. I think I'm gonna go for these.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
Loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And if we ever broke up, I won't have a kid without you. You forever in my heart. I won't forget about you. I be crushing you on Monday like it's Wednesday. You pressed about that nigga with your friends say. G63 is what your Ben say. I'm so happy you ain't listen to your friends, babe. You can tell me how you want it, how you need it, I don't mind. Need you right here by my side, cause out of sight is out of mind. And out of spite, you hit decline, but I was hype. I hit your line a few more times, when you hit back, I'm gonna respond. JC, peace to your thing, man.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Oh, whoa. I can't stay mad at you, going right back at you. Sometimes you do shit you don't have to do. You not with me, I'm afraid to lose. You were my ex, it ain't hard to choose. It's 550 for your birthday. I throw you up on Wednesday just for the Thursdays. Be coming in like, yo, is that your new babe? I be coming in like, get the fuck off my page. Woo. I'm on my way to your location, baby. Waiting on your text, I've been patiently waiting. You got me stressed when you're driving me crazy, but I want you to tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All day, yeah, yeah. 24/7. All day, yeah, yeah. 24/7. Oh, whoa.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I didn't get a chance to record an outro video. I recorded the video itself at like 4 in the morning getting ready for work. But if you like what you saw, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And